Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for this video. Now, there's still about 7 videos left to do in this series on the CSV module, but it's all going to be downhill from now. They're all going to be short videos. We're just going to talk about these little things that you should know about that you might not find that useful, but you need to know that they're out there. So there'll be no example code. It'll only be like 2 or 3 minute long on the reading, and then we're done. But we have to get through this because as soon as we're done with this, we're going to start on the Django module series, and that's going to be about 41 videos. And that's, I think, is going to be a lot more useful than this. I mean, this is useful because it's dealing with the CSV files. But with Django, we're going to be talking about actually creating websites with Python. And of course, there's still so many modules that we're going to have to learn about. Anyway, with that, oh, I keep tripping over my tongue. Let's read.
The CSV module defines the following constants. CSV.quote_all. Instructs writer objects to quote all fields. CSV.quote_minimal. Instructs writer objects to only quote those fields which contain special characters such as delimiter, quote char, or any of the characters in line terminator. CSV.quote_non-numeric. Instructs writer objects to quote all non-numeric fields. Instructs reader objects to convert all non-quoted fields to type float. CSV.quote_none. Instructs writer objects to never quote fields. When the current delimiter occurs in output data, it is preceded by the current escape char character. If escape char is not set, the writer will raise error if any characters that require escaping are encountered.
All right, that would all sounded like gobbledygook to me. I'm hoping that made any sense to you guys. I don't know what they're talking about quoting fields. I guess that might be what the fields to include in the output because it's talking about the writer object, right? So these special things must have something to do with how you control the output of the writer object. But that's just a guess. You guys are much younger than me, but maybe it'll make sense to you. But as far as I'm concerned, it's all Greek right now. Maybe as we go through these videos, I'll start to get a clue. And with that, I want you guys to go out, have some fun today, and try not to get in too much trouble. Okay? All right. And we'll see you in the next video. Hasta la vista.